Take two. Okay. So before I put everything back together, I'm gonna show you how I wire my K40. If you want to say K40, but it's actually a 400 millimeter at 400 millimeters. But the inside, it's the same as a K40. This is the MKS DOC version 2. Okay, so this is how you start it. The MPWM goes to the signal, and then the ground goes to the what they call the TTL, which is trigger and low, on these two right here. And then the limit switches, I put them on normally open, so it's the two on the far side, or on your right side, if you want to call it. uh and then what else do I do? Oh yeah, I have a relay to turn on the power for the pump and the air assist. And I found out this right there, this eight, I think it's 8.3 one. When you turn on the, I'm using Lightburn. It gives it five volts to the to one of the two wires. I think it's the brown one. And then those 5 volts turn on the relay, and then that relay turns on the power. So I haven't really tried if I turn off the air assist on Lightburn, if it turns off or not. This is just my preliminary wiring. Once that I put everything back in together, I just wanted to show you how I did it. I'm gonna go ahead and make another video on all the stuff that I had to go through trying to find the right program that, for that. I'm using GRBL or Garble, whatever you want to call it, just to make it work. It's just a nightmare for me. Anyways, I'm not a computer savvy guy, so it's just, for me, it was trial and error. Downloading and firmware and all this, trying to do all kinds of different changes. Eventually, I got it working. I'm the type of guy that just do trial and error. If something doesn't work, try something else, see if it works. And luckily for me, something worked. So I'll show you in the next video. Yeah, so once I put everything back together inside the machine, I'll make my other video on how I actually went about, you know, finding the right firmwares and the software and all that good stuff that made the machine work.